Assalamualaikum everyone, you are watching Software Buddy. I hope that you all will be fine. So today I will discuss how to convert the scalars one data type to other data type in our programming language. So by the conversion I mean from numeric to the character data type and character back to the numeric data type. So if you want to convert any scalar variable from the numeric data type to the character data type or from character to numeric data type, there are built-in functions provided by the R programming language for it. So if you have to convert the numeric to character data type, the built-in function which you will be using is as.character, and you can write your numeric variable inside of it. For example, let's say z. And if you want to do the other thing, which is converting character to numeric data type, you have to use the function as.numeric, and your character type variable, let's say a, will be inside of it. Let's implement these examples in the R Studio. So let's declare variables and assign values to them. So let's say I have a variable named u, and let's say it has a value 3. So as this is a numeric variable, so let's convert it into the character variable. So let's write v is equal to as dot character and u inside of it, which is a numeric. Now let's output these values. Rather, let's check the class of both these variables. So class of u, this should be a numeric, and that is, and class of v, this should be a character now because we have converted it into the character value. Press enter, and yes, it is a character as you can see here. Now let's convert the character to the numeric data type. So let's say we have a variable a of character type. So let's convert it into the numeric data type. So I am going to write b is equal to as dot numeric and the character type variable, which is a in our example, inside of it. Now let's also check the class of both these variables. So class of a, this should be a character and it is. And class of b, this should be a numeric now because we have converted into the numeric value. Press enter, and yes, it is numeric as you can see here. So we have successfully converted character to the numeric values. So this is how we can convert any numeric to character and character to numeric data type in our programming language.